Alex Ayala cracks top 100 Nets biggest purse yet in Miami Open Dream Run. Ito ay article ng Rappler. So congrats natin si Alex Ayala sa pagpasok niya sa semis sa anong competition? Nakalimutan ko. Wait lang. Sa Miami Open sa Miami Open and ano siya sa semis and nakalaban niya yung kanyang idol. Mamaya masasabi natin yan, pero basahin muna natin 'tong article, di ba? Huwag kayong excited. From a hefty payday to a new career high world ranking, Alex Ayala will reap the rewards of her hard work. Ayala cracked the top 100 of the Women's Tennis Association or WTA for the first time, and she's also poised to claim her biggest purse yet as she advanced to the semifinals of the Miami Open following a string of stunning wins over 3 Grand Slam champions. So, ang dati niya rank is 140 in the world. The Filipinas risen to number 75. Grabe, ang laki ng itinaas, no? In the live WTA rankings after shocking 6-2, 7-5 dismantling of former world number 1 and current number 2 Iga Swiatek, who has won 5 Grand Slam crowns. Na ayun, si Iga Swiatek ata yung nakalaban niya na natalo niya for quarterfinals, kaya siya nakapasok sa semifinals. It marked the third straight time Ayala beat a top 25 opponent as she also toppled number 5 Madison Keys, who ruled the 2025 Australian Open in January, and number 25 Helena Ostapenko, who captured the 2017 French Open title. O diba, mga bigatin yung mga nakalaban niya. By climbing number 75, Ayala would likely gain direct entry to 3 other Grand Slam events of the year, with the French Open coming up in May. So, dahil sa pagpasok niya sa top 100, malaki ang possibility na makasali siya sa iba pang mga games. Yun lang yung naintindihan ko dati. Na 19-year-old, di ba? Ang bata, tapos ganyan na yung nakakami sa buhay. Talagang sumakses. Di ba? Yan ang pinapalakpakan natin, hindi yung nasa hahig. Hindi na pigilan mo sabi ng ganhalo. Hindi na nga natin tinapik para hindi natin masabi siya, di ba? The 19-year-old is set to rake in her biggest prize money from a single tournament as well, as she is guaranteed at least $332,160 or over 19 million. Tengi naman. After earning a spot in the semifinals. So, ayun, nakakakuha siya ng $332,000. Sana all, di ba? Prior to her unlikely tournament run, Ayala had total career earning of $498,901 or 28 million according to the WTA. So, dahil sa buong career niya, yun yung winnings niya. Ayala can earn more with the finalists receiving $597,890 or over 34 million and the champion getting $1,124,380 or over 64 million. So kung nakakapasok para siya, may 34 million pesos na siya. At hindi na kailangan ng 1 week zero remittance. Hindi talaga mapigilan magsabi ng ganon. Iniiwasan na nga natin yung topic na ganun eh. Diba? So, hindi nga siya nakapasok sa finals, pero at least quarterfinals. Semifinals pala, semifinals. Galing, magaling. Ayala can earn more. And sinabi yung pinasok na pala. Yung talaga yung nakikita yung earn more eh. Sana all earn more, diba? Standing in her way is world number 4 Jessica Pegula of the United States as they battle for the finals birth on Thursday, March 27, kaninang 8:30 AM. So, ayun, natalo nga siya ni Pegula. And parang alam mo yung humahabol-habol siya pero parang hindi na ata kaya nung katawan niya. Kaya ayun, siguro nagkaroon ng ayun. Hindi ko ma-explain eh. Pero yun yung nakikita ko sa balita dahil nga nagkaroon siya ng time out dahil may minor injury lang naman. Pinatape lang niya yung ankle niya. Sinong ankle ba? sorry. Yung nasa globe. Ay, nako. So, ayan. Anong masasabi nyo na pasok na si Ayala sa top 100? Saan pasok? Hindi ba nga? Naku naman! Hindi nagbabasa ng news. Gusto! So, ano masasabi nyo na mga kaibigan? Comment down below.